I used to think that Opus is an asshole, to be very honest. In the middle, I was like, इसमें कितना attitude है.
Do you want to go down that route?
Yeah.
Let's go. Welcome everybody to another episode of Person Behind the Persona, and today we have with us a very young, emerging talent of next generation of YouTube. I don't know, man. Ria Gogoi.
Give us a clap.
I'll do a better introduction first and then I'll give the clap. So,
Okay.
why did
Yeah,
we say
please go
next generation? Ria, why don't you give us some numbers? Because people mostly on YouTube are interested in numbers, right?
Oh, yeah.
So, let's talk
Yeah,
about
give us
Ria's
some
numbers.
numbers.
Ria, give us your numbers in September.
Numbers as in subscribers.
Does she remember?
Yeah.
I think I had
Anything.
18k. Yeah, 18 to 15k.
And what is your subscriber count now?
1.9 lakh. 1.09.
That is, Okus, do the math. Okus, can you do the math on what is that growth?
I failed in maths. मेरे को स्कूल से निकाल दिया गया था.
You're
I
doing
think that's
business,
a 4x
right?
growth. Okus,
Yeah.
she managed to from the start of September till December, I think she has managed to double her subscriber base every single month. October 27, November 27, and again December 27. And Ria, the speed at which you are going, and given the views that you get, the traction that you get on your channel, we can very confidently say that you probably are going to be the next big thing on YouTube.
Yeah.
At least in YouTube
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
Does
How does
that
it make
kind
you
of does that kind of attention bother you in some sense?
I am, from the very beginning, I was never confident enough about my channel, and I still
Right.
can't process the fact that it's happening. So I don't know. I don't like to fixate on the future that much. I think if it happens, it'll happen. If it doesn't, fine with me as well. Like, I'm not too "Yeah, karna hi hai," you know. Like, I'm chilling on YouTube.
Guys, I'm just gonna let you know. She is kind of lying because Ria just before the podcast recording started, she's like, मुझे मेरा कल deadline है, मुझे कल एक video डालना है. Okay, are you this serious about YouTube? And a person who has YouTube as a hobby doesn't say,
Yeah.
मुझे कल deadline है, मुझे video
I
डालना
was
है.
talking about the brand deadline. Like, the brand wants me to.
Oh.
Wow,
big
I'm not
bag.
serious about YouTube.
Big bag secured, boy. Let's go.
Ria, well done, Ria. First of all, you whatever you replied right now was it helped my argument that Ria, you are serious about YouTube. Okay,
Get
it's
flexed
fine.
on, motherfuckers.
First of all, it's fine. It's fine. It's a good thing. Okay, Ria is really trying her best. Oh, he's talking to somebody.
Sorry, my mom.
That's fine. We're gonna include it anyway.
Yeah.
So Ria, like I was saying, is really trying to show that I am very humble. I have to be humble. If I become arrogant, I'll turn up to become an Okus. I don't want to do that. I want to
Fuck
keep.
you.
I want to keep things on the status quo. कुछ भी गड़बड़ हुई भाई, you never know. Some other बहुत ऐसे female channels हैं जो गिरे हैं. What is the biggest fear you recently told about? That you don't want to become which channel? You don't want to end up like which channel?
Bindas Kavya.
Rav.
Bindas Kavya. Okay. And the reply to that was ki Ria is not underage and Ria doesn't do roasting videos. So I think she will be fine. And then again, I don't think people are going to take a dig on her anyway. People take your case.
Yeah.
Ever have they ever taken your case on YouTube? No. They
Yeah,
haven't.
they have.
They have?
Yeah.
Who is this person?
I don't remember his name. I watched this video. I once, I think, joked about not having sex, like not getting sex, something like that. Okay, I joked about it, and this guy completely based this argument. He said that I'm objectifying men by saying that. I'm like, what? That doesn't make sense, right? But he's very smart.
So because if we are not getting any, then are we objectifying women?
What do you mean we, motherfucker? Talk about yourself.
But I'm not going to talk about that.
Actually, you can't even talk about yourself. I've seen your
Exactly.
Tinder, okay?
Rav is on Tinder.
That's true. But we're not going to talk about it.
Rav
I was on.
is, oh man, he's
I
such
was.
a private person. No, he's the definition of a man whore. That's what he is.
That is not true. Look at my face. It's an innocent face.
Whoever has an innocent
is
face
not.
and whoever says that they have an innocent face, they are not the innocent one in the room. Let me just
They
say.
are-
They are the
Thank you.
danger. Oh, they are the dangerous ones.
Yeah.
But so okay, so tell me, so तेरे channel पे बहुत मैंने देखा है. There are a lot of sexual innuendos that I don't mind.
I like sex humor.
Funny, that's my
Yeah.
thing as well.
That's just
But
me
it's
as a
not, what's
person.
up with that?
It is not a kids channel, and I'm
Yeah.
very happy with that.
Yeah.
कि हाँ,
yeah,
young
that-
adults आके बातचीत कर रहे हैं. This is a good
Yeah.
thing. I think it's not a bad thing at all. And nobody
And
else is
it's-
doing this.
Yeah, it's very unapologetically like it
Raw.
is what it is, you know. Yeah.
What?
Was that a conscious choice?
No.
Was that a conscious
That's
choice?
just me as a person in real life with my friends.
Really?
Yeah.
Does your life revolve a lot about around like getting attention from the guys?
Not really.
No.
Why did you ask that though?
Are you single?
Yes.
Those are two very different questions, August. Firstly, they're very different
I'm
questions.
trying to get into a like यार वो relationship वाले उसमें कि
Oh.
why does she talk?
Oh, very simple.
Yeah,
Ria,
I
are you
talk
single?
a lot about that. Yeah.
So I asked that, you asshole.
Okay, but you didn't. The first phrasing was not at par with the second one, right? So I'm gonna ask her. Are you single, Ria?
Okay.
Yeah. I am very
You
much.
are. Are you looking to like have a boyfriend or be in a relationship or
Not-
whatever you're into? I don't know.
Not consciously. If I meet someone great,
Consciously.
which is not going to happen because I am on YouTube, and you know, it's not like I'm a part of an institution where I'm going to meet a guy or something like that. And
Right.
so that's something that doesn't give me hope. And other than that, not really, because I am so engaged with YouTube right now. I am loving making YouTube videos so much that I feel like
Right.
if I start talking to someone, that might
Hmm.
make my videos suffer in a way. Because, you know,
Rav, you share something similar of that fear, right?
What? What
कि,
part? What part of it?
If I meet somebody, my work / YouTube / this and that.
Oh, 100% dude. I'm speaking out of experience. So
यार
yeah.
पता नहीं, मैंने कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है कि if I meet somebody, मेरा work will suffer. I mean, I'm not trying to flex, man. Come on, yaar, Rav.
Yeah, we just had this conversation before the podcast recording started कि ओकस को अपना relationship flex करना है.
I love
Okay,
it.
करना है.
I love it. Actually, I don't mind.
I don't mind it either. It's a great thing. ओकस यार, मैं तेरे साथ podcast record करता हूँ on a regular basis. 30 times से 28 times conversation has gone. I don't even want to talk about the other conversations we have. Okay.
Yeah.
This, that. Oh, so happy I am. भाई बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं भाई, मैं क्या बताऊँ, मेरी जिंदगी खुशहाल हो गई. मैं तो शादी कर रहा हूँ अभी, बहुत जल्दी करूँगा मैं शादी, बहुत बढ़िया. That is how this conversation. Like, हाँ.
Like राव की एज में कर लेगा वो, I would say 25.
I think वो
I think before.
26.
I think before.
हाँ,
that.
probably before. मैं तो नहीं कर रहा शादी भाई, मैं तो हो गया भाई.
I think
मैं तो नहीं करना चाहता.
अगर मैंने घर खरीद लिया एक, then I'm getting married. I don't mind.
मुंबई में खरीदेगा.
Give me a second.
नवी मुंबई में पागल है, मुंबई में.
I want to get a house in Mumbai because I want to have like a big house for my parents and everybody. And then
In
I want
Mumbai
to
or Navi
invest-
Mumbai?
Navi Mumbai is better, I would
Mumbai
say.
में नहीं.
Navi
Mumbai में
Yeah.
Navi Mumbai is better. Navi Mumbai is better in my opinion.
And
Like,
Mumbai is not.
too-
Mumbई में कोठी is not affordable होगा.
नहीं. Yeah, right. मुंबई में मैं 4 लोग को नहीं रख सकता घर पे. So for my parents, I wanna get a house, and then I wanna move out of Mumbai. That's something I wanna do. Like immediate get out of Mumbai. I don't like Mumbai. It's too क्या कहते हैं उसको? Too populated.
Busy?
It is.
Busy?
Yeah, too busy, right? Too
What
busy.
Riya, what do you think? तुझे क्या लगता है कि
Same
मुंबई के
here.
बारे में? What are your feelings for Mumbai?
Same here. I mean, I have lived here since I was born. It's in the same area.
Right.
Everyone has moved out
Right.
Right.
for college, for job, and I'm in the same place. So it's kind of suffocating. I feel like I'm not able to grow as a person because of that. Because I'm not meeting new people, and yeah. So
Definitely.
I want to get out. I was talking to Rav.
Okay.
I remember. I asked him, "Should I
Yeah.
move to Hyderabad?" And Rav was like,
And-
"I'm not the person to ask Riya."
I really thought कि अरे I just started talking to Riya. I think it's a very forward question to ask. Like should I move to Hyderabad? I'm like, Riya, we haven't even met. Okay, why are you asking me this question? Why should I tell you like suggest whether you should move to Hyderabad? Given that I don't even know like the entire experience of staying in Mumbai in the first
Yeah,
place.
even I thought about it. Why did I ask him? That is
But that's fine. That's fine. I don't mind that question anyway. But
Even-
what do you think?
even
What do you think about Hyderabad? Because Okus was, we had this conversation with Okus. But you tell me
Yeah.
what your experience of Hyderabad was yourself.
I mean, it was similar to Mumbai. I would say,
हाँ.
लेकिन transportation issues यहाँ पे ज़्यादा थे. Like Mumbai में you take the local and you reach anywhere you want.
Right.
But Hyderabad
Right,
में you have to take the cab. My brother specifically took me to the nicer areas and good places. So इसलिए obviously I have a rosy image of Hyderabad in my head. I don't know if I become a local like you, how I would feel on the contrary. So yeah, I had a good time.
Did you go to any of the old city places? Like,
No, I
the one-
specifically
the
said I don't want to go. I
Oh,
don't enjoy
okay, so
like monuments, history.
so, right. So you don't have much of an interest in that.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
Yeah,
What are you interested when you go to a new place? What are you usually interested in?
the food mostly.
The food. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
That's it. That's
Did you
it.
have
Yeah,
biryani?
you're big time foodie.
I don't like biryani. I don't like non-veg, so I didn't have it.
Then
Are you a vegetarian?
Veg mein what did you have?
Veg mein, okay, so I'm going to get so roasted because I literally had the basic pizza, burger.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Arey, you need to like stay in Hyderabad for like a few months, like you know, explore the city.
I can't see Okus.
मैं आई हूँ अब मैं बैठ के इधर I'm gonna have biryani, I'm gonna have mandi, I'm gonna have every single non-veg item which I've never seen in my life. Okay.
I mean, I'm also into like art museums, but I don't think Hyderabad is known for its art. So yeah.
You're big into noodles,
This
right?
one,
And you even eat
Yeah.
noodles with chopsticks and
I
everything.
love noodles. Yeah.
it's fine, yeah. Like maybe जब नया Hyderabad था, it was not like I was just chugging through all the variety of Hyderabadi food. I haven't had a lot of Hyderabadi, and I've been here for 8 years.
8
Right.
years. You went to college here, and then you.
When I was 17, I came here.
Mhm.
Yeah, I like being able to move from one place to another very easily. And you said that obviously it is not like Mumbai, because Mumbai mein you actually can move. There are a lot. Public transport is great. But what I mean by that is मुझे commute time कम करना है अपना, ठीक है? And if I don't want to get stuck in traffic.
Mhm.
The best part about Mumbai is I think the autos. Honestly,
Mhm.
you can just grab an auto and go.
Yeah.
Hyderabad में that scene is not there. ठीक है? मीटर के हिसाब से चलते नहीं है वो. They have their own prices.
यहाँ पे भी
But I got a-
where we live नहीं चलते.
यहाँ पे जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे भी सेम ही सीन है, मीटर के हिसाब से नहीं चलते.
But मुंबई में तो अलग सीन है ना.
Yeah, the moment you leave the place I live, like just even like 10 kilometers आगे चले जाओगे, that's where it starts from the meter then.
Just the place I live and where she lives.
Yeah.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे मीटर से नहीं चलते.
Okay, so speaking of whatever food Ria had, Ria, fries or pizza? Which one is your favorite snack to have?
Pizza.
4 o'clock, you're chilling. Pizza?
Yeah. Pizza.
Every time pizza? When do you have fries? When is the mood for fries?
Whenever I go to McDonald's, fries, because McDonald's, I've said it in a video, McDonald's fries are so bad that they're good.
Yeah.
Like they've
Right.
been
Wow.
Really? I love McDonald's fries, man.
Wait, McDonald's which kind? Like what do you add to
Mexican
it?
cheesy
Peri
fries. Have
peri?
you had those?
And burger में what do you have?
वो सोच के ही मतलब अभी हाँ burger burger I don't so in college since I was broke I used to buy McAloo tikki and ever since
Yeah,
then
same.
I've been buying McAloo tikki like easy order.
Yeah.
I don't use my
Right.
brain when I go to McDonald's, just Mexican cheesy fries, Coke float, McAloo tikki. That's my order every time.
And
Yeah.
and pizza is Domino's?
Domino's now because Pizza Hut का service अभी खराब हो गया I would say. Yesterday I ordered Pizza Hut and it was a really bad pizza. I had a very bad experience. So Domino's right now pasta pizza specifically.
And Okus, तुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है? Domino's or McDonald's?
Fuck McDonald's, bro. I have, so long story short, when I came to Mumbai, right, for the first time, my chacha took me to McDonald's, and that's when the first time I had McAloo tikki. And since then, just like Ria, I've been stuck on aloo tikki. I fucking love that piece of junk. Everybody hates it. Around every single friend of mine fucking despises McAloo tikki. But oh boy, am I in love with that shit.
See, McAloo tikki is the rice and chawal of McDonald's, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Like the most
Dal chawal.
basic thing you can have. Okay.
Yeah.
Rice, proper. College में पता है, we used to have McDonald's तो हमारे एरिया के आसपास नहीं खुला था उस टाइम पे. But we used to have Domino's. एंड हम इतने लाइक क्या ही बोले हरामी बच्चे थे कि आई रिमेंबर वी यूज्ड टू हैव आवर फोन्स राइट एंड वी वुड डोमिनोज में 30 मिनट्स के बाद फ्री होता है एंड लाइक आई थिंक देयर इज अ प्राइस लिमिट राइट so what we used to do was ki and sometimes I'm not saying I do not recommend this at all, this kind of behavior at all. Please guys, pay your dues, don't do this unless you're broke. Do what you have to do, just saying. What we used to do was मैंने ऑर्डर किया 3 बजे and it's supposed to arrive at 3:30 right? It arrives at 3:25 okay or 3:26 also but मैंने घड़ी की स्पीड बढ़ा दी है और मैं उसको फोन पे दिखाता हूँ सर 3:34 हो रहा है सर 3:34 हो रहा है ओके आप लेट हो सर ओके सर ऑर्डर ले जाइए सर एंड दैट इज you should not do this okay you should not
I
do
have
this.
a great story. Okay, I have a great story there. So we used to go to McDonald's. Yeah, same. Maybe Rav, I will say the same. I do not condone this unless you're broke. I was fucking broke as the definition of it. What I used to do, right, was कि so they give you क्या कहते हैं पर्ची right? They give you पर्ची क्या कहते हैं जिसपे तुम्हारा ऑर्डर नंबर लिखा रहता था right? That's how they identify कि ऑर्डर मतलब हुआ है कि नहीं because they have those big ass monitors जहाँ पे ऑर्डर नंबर लिखा हुआ आता है. I used to order it ठीक है. I used to give my friend that पर्ची. He used to go grab the order, come back right? I used to take the पर्ची back. I used to fold it so that the order number is hidden right? And I used to go to the counter place really pissed off and I used to be like कितना समय लगेगा कब से हो कितना
पहले ऑर्डर किया था मैंने
तो देखेगा and it's folded. That's how I hand it to him. It's a folded. देखना भाई कौन सा मैं कालो टिक्की कब दोगे तुम लोग इतना सिंपल सा लाइक रुको सर अंदर से बनाने का जैसे ही मेरे हाथ में आया मैं गायब. I will not stand in front of it. फट से निकल जाने का. So
I will give you what happened when you got caught?
कुछ मतलब सर लाइक मैकडोनल्ड्स वाले बहुत अच्छे हैं यार वो लोग ऐसे कुछ बोलते नहीं पर क्या हुआ था मैंने ना पर्ची दी फोल्ड करके एंड उसने बर्गर दे दिया मेरे को फिर वो पर्ची लेके अंदर चला गया जो कुक रहता है ना जो परोस रहा था उसके पास उसने बोला ये वाला ऑर्डर हुआ है क्या तो बोलते हाँ मैंने तो दिया तो बोलते फिर वो बाहर आया और मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के पास बर्गर था एंड मेरे पास बर्गर था नहीं ये बहुत पहले के लाइक एक्स के पास बर्गर था और मेरे पास बर्गर था तो मेरी एक्स ने बर्गर ऐसे छुपा लिया खा रही थी वो पर ऐसे छुपा लिया डेस्क के नीचे क्योंकि वहाँ पे डेस्क पे बैठ के खाते ना डेस्क के नीचे छुपा लिया वो आके देखा मेरे हाथ में बर्गर है मैंने उसको पर्ची दी उनको समझ गया कि हम लोग ने चोरी किया है फिर चले गए वो लोग.
How embarrassing, how shameful. At least, see, if you want to be a thief, you be a thief, no problem. Don't get caught, okay? That's very bad, Okas. What the hell? Why would you eat inside McDonald's, man? Just take your burger and go outside and eat.
That's the reason मैं गायब हो जाता. But this time I decided to be a little bit courageous and sit right in front of their fucking counter. Like an idiot.
Oh,
Guys,
I'm gonna steal from McDonald's. Let me take one more risk. Take some more risk and just sit inside the
I was so dumb. It's so cringy. It's a cringy memory.
रिया तू मुझे बता कि McDonald's में तुझे एक हैक के बारे में पता है? This one particular hack which you don't. I'll just give you. I'm not suggesting anything. I think you are perfectly capable of figuring out something with this one piece of information.
Okay.
McDonald's में अगर तू खाना लेके ट्रे जाती है and you just stumble, okay? You just stumble and the food falls to the ground. They will give you an entirely new fresh order, okay?
Really? I didn't know that.
They will give you
has
an
happened multiple
entirely
times
new fresh order. Like for example, let's say you ordered like 700 rupees worth of stuff in McDonald's, which is like a lot, right?
Yeah.
और तूने बस ट्रे लिया and तू बस गिर गई, ठीक है? Just fell, okay? And all the stuff is on the floor. They will give you the entire fucking order back.
But that's
Fresh.
just wasting food, right?
Huh?
Yeah, that's wasting food.
Huh.
Yeah.
So how is that a
But-
hack? But okay.
No. There is a way out of it, okay? How do I say this? No, I'm not gonna.
Allegedly.
I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. I've already spoken about my Domino's scenario.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
yeah,
say a
I
word
think
anymore. Okay, it's gonna
both of us
bring
need
me
to
into
shut the
trouble.
fuck up. Yeah.
If my manager, if anyone from my office sees it, they're like, भाई कितना चिंदी है भाई इंसान, कितना चिंदी है ये इंसान. What is this
Yeah.
nonsense?
fucking
We are paying you enough already. Why do you gotta do this, man?
Because I have to save money. Because I have to save money for my kids. Guys, please understand. बहुत दुख है मेरी जिंदगी में. I have to move also back to Cuttack. That is where I want to go back. No, I don't.
Really?
I honestly don't.
No,
Honestly don't. please, I'll stay in Hyderabad all my life. I hope my father doesn't watch this podcast. But Ria, tell us something about your college life. How was college life for you?
Yeah. Oh, I have something to, before she goes. She goes to the same college that my ex goes to.
Okus has dated a lot.
Wow.
You're the same age. You probably even know her. I'll DM you the name or the profile later on.
You what? No, you WhatsApp her right now. No, let's do this right
Yeah,
now.
you know
WhatsApp
what?
her right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
You WhatsApp her right now. She'll
I
read it right
can't,
now.
I can't
Okay.
see it.
Don't
right. I'm
read
recording
it.
on my phone.
This girl. Do you know this girl?
I'm
pretty sure you do. She's a.
I've heard her name.
Yes. Okay. Come. Nice
You've
guys.
heard
Very
her
nice.
name, right?
Yeah.
You've
Is
never
she your
seen
scene?
her?
I mean, I was quite a homebody. I rarely went to college. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Me.
How? No attendance issues?
No, not in my department. I was a BMM student, right? Mass media. And
Right,
art students are not taken that seriously. So I could stay at home and do nothing and, not go to college and no one would care.
Tell me something. Art students are not taken so seriously. You being an art student, what do you think? Should they be? What is the level of seriousness you should take any student, regardless of whether they're in arts, commerce, or science? Like why? Like what do you mean by taken seriously?
In society, they are not, but I would say it's
in
very...
society.
Yeah.
In society, तो if you are not a lawyer, doctor, or engineer,
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
or a civil servant तो भाई बहुत बढ़िया भाई जिंदगी से क्या ही चाहिए तुम्हें? Wait,
I don't like people who judge you on the basis of your intelligence. I hate it. Have you gotten that vibe from people who judge you on the basis of how much you've scored or how much you know?
Not on the basis of how much they scored. What do you mean by judge people? Like, obviously, I will have some sort of a perception of the person when I have a conversation with them.
Yeah.
But I don't think, like, if somebody's a math topper, what kind of a conversation can I have with him if I am a failure at math? Maybe I can if I have some curiosity towards math. But if I hate math, I can't have. What kind of conversation?
But
can
what
I
if
have?
that person makes you feel inferior because of it? Like, I am better than you because I
Are
know
we-
this. Huh?
Are we gonna talk about inferiority complexes? We can go like 3 hours talking about inferiority
Yeah,
complexes.
that's going to be very good. Do you have
And
inferiority complex?
You know what? And Okus is gonna be the
Huge
shaman. He's gonna sit in between and he's gonna tell us कि देखो guys, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, ऐसे करो, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, ऐसे करो, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. Because Okus clearly has like somehow he's one of the only people I have met who like told me कि मैं ऐसे insecure था पहले और मैं अब बिल्कुल नहीं वो person.
Yeah, I
बहुत
can
कम
see
लोग
that.
मुझे मिले हैं. They've completely changed.
मेरे को तो बहुत है यार. I've suffered consequences because of that. And now I don't know anymore because I feel like मैं वैसे situation में आई नहीं हूँ जहाँ पे that might have come up. But yeah, I think I do have inferiority.
Are you comfortable with like sharing what you in detail about what you mean? Like what does it make you feel? You don't have to tell me about the complex in detail, but what does it make you feel like? What happens?
What does it make me feel like? I feel like
Right.
all the achievements that I've made till now in life
Right.
mean nothing, and anyone else can do it. मेरे अलावा भी, and it's not a big deal. If for example, if I've hit 100K, it's not a big deal because a lot of other people have done it, and मेरी जगह कोई और लड़की होती तो वो भी कर लेती शायद. That's what in my head. I need therapy, guys. This is a huge issue.
You want one? I'll give you one really right now.
Okas, are you certified?
He's
I'm
not.
not-
He's not certified. He's not.
My
Okay, shut up.
girlfriend is studying this stuff, so we get to talk a lot about all of this stuff like inferiority and superiority. But yours is very तुम creator है ना, तो तुम्हारे साथ ये रहता ही है कि
Yeah.
anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Because तुम तुम्हारे प्रोसेस को होते हुए देखता है, तो तुम्हारे चढ़ाव पड़ाव जो गिरते हैं उठते हैं सब देखता है, तो तुम्हारे लिए like I haven't done anything special. You know what I'm saying? So the problem with you is that you think that I'll only be special or I'll not feel inferior if I've able to do if I do something that nobody else can. But so you have confused superior with normal. समझ रही है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? You need to get into the middle stage first. You are either I'm inferior or either I'm superior. Either I have to be better than XYZ, only then will I be happy, or I am nothing. There is no middle ground that you're not able to find the middle ground. Try and find that middle ground first.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. I feel like it also stems from, as I said, my siblings. They
Childhood trauma.
not childhood
No.
trauma.
She's the youngest in her family. I think she's
I am
been
the
very
youngest in
pampered.
my family as well, and we live in Indian society. तो हमारे साथ मतलब बचपन से competition हमको
Yeah.
ऐसा मतलब compete करो ऐसा रहता है.
Yeah, I
Sumit
think I've
bhi.
said this before as well. My brother went to IIM, right? And
Right.
that is deemed more prestigious in our society than hitting 100K on YouTube. So
Yeah.
even though like
But the reason Ria for that, you and me both know that is people don't know what 100K means. They know what IIM means in real life. Okay, कि हाँ, if this person has a stamp, it means कि he'll probably have a very secure job. He's probably a very smart person, so he'll do well he or she will do well in life. Okay, and what other societal standards are there? They'll probably gonna get married, very good marriage prospect.
Yeah.
Gonna have a great life.
yeah.
This and that, I'm gonna have a great job, this and that. But people don't know what
Not true,
100K
by the way.
means, okay?
That's not true at all. Like my brother couldn't make a chair from IKEA. He went to IIM. He can't make a chair. He can't build a chair. I had to help him.
Did you get something from IKEA from Hyderabad? We are
Yeah.
diverging from the topic, but okay, let's not. Why not? You went to IKEA?
Yeah.
How was that?
Yeah, it was good. I had to walk a lot, but I had a great time. I mean, I saw the mini apartments, and in my head I was like, I want to live in an apartment like that someday.
You are you talking about the one which you just enter at the escalator? The very tiny little apartment?
Yeah.
Man, I'm yet to visit IKEA, man. It's
Oh, okay, so you're gonna love it, man. I would like. It's IKEA is, guys. Youth का furniture IKEA से ही होना चाहिए. मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
मैं
It's like
आएगा
the
ना
most
अपन लोग
budget
जाएंगे IKEA shopping spree पर full मौज.
I think Ria, if you went to IKEA, you must have seen that lower part where like you
Yeah.
walk through like for 20 different departments. You know why they have done that?
Why?
It's human psychology. Basically, if you're walking through so many options, you're basically walking through options, right? And they're throwing 400 options in front of you, one by one, while you're walking. There is no other way to get to the bill counter unless you want to voluntarily take the shortcut. Okay,
Yeah.
but you will obviously take this route, but you don't know कि इतना लंबा है.
Mm-hmm.
तो the prices keep on decreasing.
Oh.
They keep going. Okay,
Oh.
ऐसे oscillate करके decrease करता है. So the idea is कि कुछ ना कुछ तो ये बंदा उठाएगा. कुछ ना कुछ the person will pick. Every single time I've been to
I
IKEA,
did
I've
pick.
picked up
I
something
did
from
pick
that wall.
something. Yeah.
है ना?
Damn.
You just pick something randomly. मैं इसको उठा लेती हूँ क्या यार एक लूंगी 2 3 4 and then you know at the billing counter भाई बिल आ गया भाई बहुत बढ़िया. That is what happens
Damn.
every single time.
That's
But it's very
good, man.
it's kind of fun though, like joining building your own
Yeah,
furniture in
yeah,
IKEA.
it's-
You feel like an achievement.
Yeah, it's toys for big boys.
That's what it is. And
Yeah, kind
That
of.
sounded wrong.
But yeah.
Toys for big boys.
But coming back to the topic of the
Inferiority
how
complexes.
people perceive. Yeah, how people perceive it.
Yeah.
Acha, Ria, I have a question for you. Okay, let's. You have you have society, but then you also have your family. When you say they don't know, ठीक है? Who do you think don't know? Like तेरे दिमाग में कौन आता है? They don't know. Your family or the society in general.
See, my parents genuinely don't care, which is like not a sad thing at all. Like they're like, you're an adult,
Right.
you can do
That's
whatever
great.
you want. And
Right.
but at the same time, you know, whenever my mom talks to like other aunties, so she talks about my brother more than she talks about me. And my brother told this to me that you have to accept the fact that no matter how big you get on this platform, you are not going to impress those aunties ever. So you have to accept that. So I don't know why.
Okay.
And the thing is, as you said, I feel like monetary wise, it's like I just started earning, but I feel like I'm earning similar to what my brother is earning as of now. And
What?
That's
What?
big boy bucks.
for a month only,
What?
last month only. So I don't know how much it will fluctuate. It can fluctuate.
Right,
I mean,
yeah.
I think this month I'll earn
Right.
a little less, but I'm just saying. So I don't even care about money that much anyways. But when it comes to also, this is something that I think about a lot, that if I meet a guy, I don't think I'll tell him that I have a YouTube channel, because I don't want him to see my videos. I don't know why. It's just...
Why?
Have you seen the shit I'm doing in my videos?
I'm telling you, Ria, right now, okay? I'm telling you, Ria, right now. If you meet a guy and you're not able to show the guy your YouTube channel, he is not the one, okay? So you know that right now, okay? So the test, the final test should be, okay, sab theek hai, everything is great. This is your test. See the channel. And you can do two things now. You can ghost the next day. You can ghost the very next day. I'll be fine with it because I'm prepared. Otherwise, we'll see where it goes.
Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good idea.
Seriously.
Experience से बात कर रहे हो बाबा?
Shut up. बकवास मत कर, yeah.
I would like to see that video of Rav's now. That got him a lot of subscribers, but he quit after that. Hero Alom roast.
Yeah, you won't believe, Ria. If I tell you, you know about what the timeline for that thing was. I think I uploaded on 14th or 13th of December in 2016. The video didn't do anything. The video was pura stagnant. It was getting around like the usual views. I was around 2,000 subscribers. It was getting around like 3,000 views. That's fine. For some weird reason, on the 27th, which is today, the video went viral. Like viral in the sense that I still remember so vividly. Deep Thapar, Hooder, called me up and he's like, "Are you seeing what's happening?" I'm like, what is happening? Your video has 700,000 views in the last 2 hours and your subscriber base is growing faster than PewDiePie. I have both the charts right next to me.
What?
Okay. And like, I'm not making this up. My channel's subscriber growth was, within 3 days I went from like 3k to I think around 45k. Within 3 days. Out of nowhere.
But you know, I remember when you said this, I think Simon says at the podcast when you said this, and I was like, what an idiot! Why did he quit?
Simple, because simply because I was not enjoying what I was doing, and I think Ocus knew then also. Before when I was uploading those videos around September, October, Ocus and me had a conversation in 2016. He was very young then, but I was telling him ki freaking bullshit. I don't like this genre. This is what, because imagine, Ria, I was 22. Okay, I was 22. Why would I make these kind of 22, 23? 22. I was like, why am I making these kind of videos? Yeah. And there is so much more to do. Right. I don't know. I thought, honestly, from my side, regardless of whoever is making what kind of content, the genre of roasting is just very boring for me. Yeah. At least like what people have had to offer.
Plus, तुम बहुत smart थे ना राव. तुम college student, तुम अच्छे score कर रहे थे, तुमको placement लगने वाली थी. It felt almost like wasted.
Okay, Ria just had this like little bit where she said कि यार ऐसा नहीं है कि क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो लोग IIM जाते हैं वही इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं, और भी लोग इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं. You just put that right there कि हाँ तुम तो अच्छे कॉलेज जाते थे, तुम तो इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे थे ही. No, that is not true.
Not because I am not stereotyping. You are very fucking smart. You have almost नहीं, तुमने achieve कर लिया financial freedom at the age of 25, 26. That's insane.
No, I haven't achieved financial freedom at all.
That fucking there you go, diminishing.
I mean, Ria, I'm promising you, this is not the inferiority complex side of me saying things कि oh नहीं जो मैंने achieve किया वो बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not that. I'm being very honest. I'm just saying like.
But no, I feel like तुम बहुत smart थे.
अब नहीं. अब तुम्हें मुझसे एडवाइस लेना पड़ता है.
अब तुम मेरे साथ. Going down the hill, baby. That was your peak. But no, coming back, we are बार हम लोग tangent से
no, we should ask Ria about Ria. Now you are gonna tell us about what are you gonna tell us about? Fries? No,
we
were talking about inferiority.
I got ready. Okay,
when you say कि लोगों को नहीं लगता है, who do you mean? The family or the society in general?
The aunties.
Society.
She meant the aunties, not the.
And that's why I want to get out of this place, man. In my society, there are like 50% Assamese population, and you know, your own people. It's good sometimes, not all the time. Like you go down for a walk, can't hang out with a guy because you know, charo taraf se. But it's really
yes,
annoying.
I 100% agree. I think you should move. कहाँ move करना है? I don't know. I'm not gonna suggest anything. Okay, but I really think I'll tell you why. Okay, simply because जब मैं कटक में था and I had an option to go to one of the best colleges in my state or I could move to Hyderabad. Okay. The reason that I picked Hyderabad simply was because कि नए लोग and I'll get to meet new people and I'm tired of meeting the same people again and again. It is कुछ grow because if you don't get perception, a different perception of things from other which you can only get from people who are not around you or not in the similar situation than you are. You won't get it. It's very unlikely to get it. So it is better off you go. You're the young, na? You can just take 5 years. कि मैं जा रही हूँ, अब तो मैं घूमूंगी. 1 year, one state. 1 year, one state.
Wow.
That kind of.
If I continue with YouTube, I guess I can do that.
Maybe you can. Maybe if you choose a profession which can enable you to do that, you can do that as well. That also happens.
Why do you not want to continue YouTube, Ria?
I have been really debating with the idea of fame because something that I think I might not like in the future. So that's why I'm giving it a year. And also like there's a lot of pressure on YouTube regarding views, and I'm a creative person, right? And I feel like YouTube kills creativity in a way because you have to be consistent. You have to churn out a new video every single week. And नहीं तो die हो जाएगा तुम्हारा channel. So it is in a way I love making videos and it's scary to look somewhere else because what I love doing the most is bringing money, which is important. But at the same time, that's why I'm giving this a year. Ki let's see if I feel like this is completely sucking my creativity away. I'm not enjoying this anymore. I will stop it because I don't really care about the fame and money aspect of it. इतना ज़्यादा money मतलब basic level पे ठीक है. Like इतना I feel
your
like
expenses are covered and you have savings.
Yeah, exactly. इतना base level पे चाहिए, and I don't mind doing a 9 to 5. I would actually love some stability in my life.
Why do you think so? You're telling me because of the consistency it kills the creativity?
Yeah.
Is that what you think?
Yeah. And there's this pressure of pleasing an audience, right? Which I didn't used to have before I started. I'm grateful. I'm honestly very grateful because I feel like a lot of people connect with me, which I never thought there will be people who support me. So that's weird. It makes me laugh sometimes. Why are people following me? And then but at the same time, I feel like it's a huge responsibility that I don't want to have for a long time.
What kind of a responsibility?
You know, like, I feel like, in a way, I hate the word influencer, but in a way you are kind of, the things that you say is influencing people, right? And
Right.
I mean, I'm not allowed to, like, fuck up anymore. Maybe.
How would you
You're
fuck up?
taking it all wrong. You're taking it all wrong.
No. I want to understand her perception. No. I want to understand her perception
Go on.
of what do you mean by you cannot fuck up anymore. What do you mean by fuck up? What kind of a fuck up?
I don't want to, like...
Give me an example.
Okay, so basically, I've been doing this one thing, right? This is a very small example. I flush the toilet with my leg. Whenever I'm at a public place, I flush it with my leg.
Yeah.
And I showed it on camera.
Right.
And someone in the comments said that that's a very bad thing to do for the other person. And I felt really bad. I was like, yeah, it is. But at the same time, I thought everyone does it like that. In my head, I thought, वैसे भी हाथ धोने ही वाला है कोई इंसान तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But now that I showed it on camera and people were like, that is disgusting, you shouldn't do that. I was like, yeah, what if someone else who didn't read the comments gets influenced now and does the same thing? Very minor thing. But still, I think a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, tell me something. What is wrong with flushing the toilet with your leg?
There is nothing wrong with it. That's the problem. So I'll tell you. I have been there. तुम जिस position पे है ना,
flushing toilet with your leg.
Exactly. I used to do that every time. Now I do it with my head. Actually, it's much better. No. I've been there. It's a very scary place to be, where everything you say is going to be influenced. Like कोई ना कोई उठा लेगा.
But the thing is, na,
You were doing that without noticing. Now you're just doing it on somewhat of a larger scale. The influence you had when you were a simple, normal person is not insanely huge. Like, the difference is not huge. You're still somewhere there. Of course, it has increased. But don't think that influence has increased at a, like, अब तो मैं जो बोलूँगी वो होगा. ऐसा नहीं है.
the thing is, na,
अगर लोगों को बुरा मानना है, वो मानेंगे ही. Like you can be extremely politically correct. The जो तुम route पे जा रही हो ना, it will lead you to a point where you'll try and be extremely politically correct, and you'll be like, बहनचोद ये क्या है? मतलब मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकती क्या? And then you'll just go, fuck you, I'm gonna be myself regardless.
Or
Right.
you can just, or maybe because of that reason, you just choose to quit, which is not a good thing. Okay.
Which is not a good thing. Yeah. So
तू
I
ऐसे
will-
रिया तो ऐसे सोच ना, अगर if you are watching somebody and they, the example, I'm gonna stick to the example which you gave me. I'm not gonna assume things. That has always gotten me into trouble. So the example which you gave me, if you saw somebody flush a toilet with a leg, then how would you feel bad? Would you feel anything?
No,
Maybe chuckle.
not really.
Would you chuckle?
Yeah,
Find
I
it
will.
funny in some way?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
That's-
Then that's it. That's your
that's
answer
it.
right there. Because they watch you for you. They don't watch you for.
Yeah, exactly.
Fucking
Baby,
their
the
perception
problem is na, you are looking at, you're focusing on a loud minority.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
1000 comments में से एक comment बोला, right? You don't think about that shit. The reason you are blowing up is you being
Is because-
you unapologetically.
Yeah, that is
change
true.
that. Don't change that. That does not mean that you do not grow. Growing is different. Changing yourself because you're like XYZ and maybe I should be more responsible. Of course
Yeah.
you should be more responsible. Don't product gambling apps. Don't promote fucking क्या कहते हैं products that will harm some kid.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Have your own sense of morality. Judge yourself on your own accords, not somebody else's.
Yeah.
That will lead you into trouble.
Yeah, set your own standard. But Ria, tell me something. Who are one of your biggest influences from YouTube?
Yeah, I want to know about that.
Jenna Marbles, one of
Jenna
the
Marbles,
biggest.
of course.
Yeah.
She's
And-
one of the OGs, right?
See,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
what I don't get. Like, whenever she makes a lot of my content is inspired from her, right? So when these dank meme pages
Right,
say that she just paints her face red and turns into a diya and gets a lot of subscribers, I'm like, and that's not content. According to them, that's not content. And then I go like, then who the fuck is Jenna Marbles? How did she get so many subscribers for doing that? You know? So, yeah.
Does the meme hate get to you?
Not really. I mean, this other day I was sad about something that happened IRL, and that's when it hit me for one day, and that's when I tweeted that. But other than that, I just ignore it, and it doesn't get to me as much. Matlab, I feel like
I think-
I was going to say that compared to Sakshi Shivdasani, the hate was nothing. I would say,
Yeah.
Minor.
yeah. Yeah.
पता है?
Mhm.
Don't you feel like Birya? Don't you feel like it's just like an itch? Somebody's. It's kind of just like a small itch which comes once in a while when you read a bad comment or something, and maybe if you don't react to it, in some fashion, once in a while, it just keeps.
Yeah.
Just bottling things up. in
Yeah,
a way.
yeah, exactly.
How do you do it? How do you like react back? What do you do to?
That's
react
why I
back?
tweet indirectly. I just tweet every once in a while,
Yeah,
and
that-
then it goes away.
Yeah, that is the purpose of Twitter, right? Like,
Yeah.
Pull all your frustrations and write all the crap you want to tell people. कि ये बहन के
And then I don't read the replies. That's it. That's how I.
Everything is everything is forgiven. If you are from YouTube, everything is forgiven in Twitter. Okay, that's basically like a temple. Okay, you just go there. Yeah. You are forgiven because nobody cares unless and if you are politically affiliated and you go to Twitter, nothing is forgiven in Twitter. Then it becomes a gurukul. Okay, it becomes a gurukul, proper gurukul. You get cancelled or something.
Yeah.
Right.
But
Also, since we were talking about the idea of fame, right? I also wanted to say
right,
that.
Jenna Marbles.
No. I was talking about I wanted to say this that I didn't have an Instagram account before I started blowing up on YouTube. So I didn't enjoy the superficial aspect of Instagram and everything. So
Right.
that is also something that's like in my head again and again. That am I like I want to create, I want to enjoy this platform, but at the same time, subconsciously I compare myself to these other girls, right, who are way prettier, have better houses, better clothes, and that's why I was never on social media. And now it's kind of my work now, so I have to be there. Now what I do is I avoid watching their videos, but before this, so I feel like that is also one of the reasons why I might quit in the future.
Do you know what stoicism is?
Not really. Explain.
Okay, so
Yeah, we will quickly do it so that nobody in the comment section says that we are mansplaining Ria. Okay, we don't want that to happen. Okay, we're gonna quit. Short. Ocas, let me do it ना. Short and simple बोल दूँगा.
Please go ahead.
रिया बहुत सिंपल है, ठीक है. ऐसा सोच कि तू नहीं है. Okay, you are. This is Ria. Okay, now your soul is out of your body. Okay, and you're looking at this person.
Okay, I'm looking at
Okay, now Ria is looking. Right, exactly. The Ria at the door is looking at this person recording. Okay, now magnify out. थोड़ा और magnify out कर.
Okay.
You're looking at Ria through the window from your house, ऊपर से, sky से. Magnify out a bit more. From your state, from your country, from your earth, and then you realize कि अरे मैं तो बहुत छोटी थी. At the end, these things don't matter. And if these things don't matter, then why do I care to why do I have to care to make my perception similar? Usually ऐसा होता है Instagram क्या किसी भी नेटवर्क में you try and either fit in or stand out. ठीक है, you तो are standing out, you're not fitting in. That is why the reason why you're standing out is because you're standing out. That makes sense. Okay, you're being yourself, right?
Yeah.
So Instagram पे भी just be yourself because nobody else is being you. So
let me add on to that something. ठीक है, this is what I do. Very something that helps me a lot with the क्या कहते हैं, August is unfunny. You know, the thing is
he cries in the bathroom.
Yeah,
that is what he does.
Except after I'm done crying and bawling my eyes out, no, I don't cry. I have a very tough time crying. Except if I'm watching a movie, especially with Raf, then we both are crying a lot.
That is not true. I don't cry. This is a lie. I am.
You look like someone who would cry.
I like crying. It's very cute when you cry when you watch a movie.
100% agree.
It's when I was watching Coco and I was bawling my eyes out. It was very sweet when he sings the song. But regardless, what I do is you introspect a lot and not in a healthier way. So what I do is usually मैं क्या करता हूँ, पहली बात तो ये I need to realize the reality of it is this guy one probably doesn't know me. Two, he probably doesn't mean it. ठीक है, because it's in reality अगर उसको मेरे सामने खड़ा कर दिया जाए ना, I'm like बता भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम, like कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम, मुझे ये नहीं पसंद. It'll really come down to very subjective minute things कि मेरे को लगता है तुम editing better कर सकती हो, मेरे को लगता है तुम ये better. It'll be very minute, very subjective. It will be his opinion. So what you do is like you realize these two things, and the third thing you need to realize is the thing it's bothering you is because you let it bother you, either by thinking that what he's saying is true, like Ocas unfunny, so maybe I'm thinking that Ocas is unfunny, right? Or he's like Ocas doesn't have content, so maybe I think Ocas doesn't have content. If somebody says ki Ocas tu mota hai, I'll be like no I'm not, man. Like, you know. But if somebody says ki Ocas tere hont bade, that's a fact, right? Yeah, my lips are pretty big, but like will I be bothered by it? You know what I'm saying? Because I've accepted. Accept if you have any flaws, don't reject it. The moment you start rejecting
I think he would be
flaws,
bothered if he had like an allergic reaction and his face was puffed up and like Ocas your face is very big. Like हाँ ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है, नहीं.
It is, man.
If you catch up and
like. Yeah. And the moment you go, it is what it is. You can improve upon it. This will be 5,000 rupees for an hour of a therapy session.
Oh, I was just going to say that this podcast is turning into two guys comforting me. Just giving me comfort.
I think no, Ria, I'm telling you, this is gonna backfire, and people in the comment section are gonna write these yet again, two men, one older, one younger, mansplaining new age YouTuber. This is what is gonna happen. Okay?
If you're one of those comments, if you're one
I
of
mean,
those
I listen to everyone.
Fuck you.
Okay, this is something that I'll appreciate about myself is that I listen to everyone. I like to learn from everyone, but at the same time, I just take what I want to take, you know. So I'm absorbing.
Yeah, that's the best thing.
She's a selective sponge.
Yeah,
she's a selective sponge.
That's a very good thing. That's not. I don't work like that. I don't work like that at all. That's a very bad habit. I take everything. I take the bad habits as well, and it really fucks me up.
Rishu ऐसे रहता है. He takes the bad. He doesn't look at the good.
He doesn't look at the good. Yeah, definitely. उसको तो मेरे को मारने का है. उसको तो मैं घुसा ही मारूंगा बहन के लिए.
You had the opportunity to punch him in the face, but you came back with corona.
No, मैंने उसको बहुत मारा, पर उसने यार वो भी तगड़ा है बहन का लोड़ा. उसका हाथ लग गया, मेरे को नानी याद आ गई. बहुत जोर से मारा था उसने.
हाँ, because Okus toothpick versus watermelon, I don't think it's a very good. It's a very good competition to
Man,
begin
it
with.
was really fun in Goa, man. I wish
Not
you
toothpick
guys were
versus
there,
watermelon.
man.
Toothpick versus pork chops, okay? Because bhai sahab. But hey,
Man.
Ria, tell us something. ठीक है, you're gonna do YouTube for 1 year, is what you are
Yeah.
saying, quote unquote. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
The money side of it. We're gonna quickly run through it. Okay, we don't want to go into the deeper details. You are focusing on brand deals right now. You want to make this sustainable in some sense, right?
Yeah.
Do you think there is a difference? And these questions are mostly for female YouTubers who are watching us or female creators who are watching us and listening to this podcast and need some guidance in that sense. Ki, do you think the market is better for women
Yeah.
in the YouTube sphere?
True.
Huh?
Yeah, 100%. I would say because
The money making market also. Not
Yeah.
I'm not talking about just the views and
Yeah,
the
exactly. Because
How?
it's similar to modeling. A male model, a female model earns more than a male model, and I think a female creator. I'm not gonna disagree with the fact that it's easier for a female creator to gain followers if she.
Right.
And the other thing is that female products are more expensive, and there are more options. Have you been
And
like
the CTR, the ad CTRs are also higher.
Yeah.
Right.
And I have not seen Opus get sponsored by a clothing company. Have you been offered something?
I'm not going to get into that because I'm trying to create my own. I'm trying to be the क्या कहते हैं, Kanye West of India, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But what he means, okay, Ocus has not been offered a clothing
I
company.
mean,
but
I
you
am
have been.
Kanye West of India.
Oh.
Okay, Ocus, can we focus on Ria? It's her podcast, man. What the fuck? Can we just focus on her? She's trying to talk about her clothing. So you were
Yeah,
offered
tell
a
me.
clothing
I'm
deal,
so
right?
sorry.
No, I'm just saying that I've been offered a lot of brands that I don't think a lot of male creators will get offered. You know, like sanitary napkins, maybe. That's a product
Right.
that guys can't
Right.
promote. So there are a lot of products that I feel like लड़कियों का ज़्यादा रहता है market when it comes to. I was reading this book called The Beauty Myth, and there they were talking about like beauty products and everything. It's such a huge industry and marketed so much. मतलब I feel like अगर तुम women को ज़्यादा target करते हो in a business, it's more profitable than targeting men.
Women have higher attention span as well. That's why your
Yeah.
क्या कहते हैं, if you would notice, your more female क्या कहते हैं, targeted videos will have higher watch time.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if I'm sitting here and talking, like, girls will listen to me sit and talk about a boy, and guys are like, "Kya paka rahi hai?" You know. So
Nahin,
Right.
I would listen. I would listen to girls.
love
I
is
mean, yeah, I
different.
would listen to it. We'll get to learn. I want to learn from you.
I also always listen to it for the fun aspect of it and also कि कुछ सीखने को शायद मिल जाए. पता नहीं.
हाँ, yeah.
Let's
yeah.
see.
No wonder you and I are fucking.
Yeah. कुंभ के मेले में खो गए थे मेरे भाई.
Yeah.
Told enough number of times. But given that you are so raw in your videos, like very quirky in some sense, and your Instagram, you don't want to like create that illusion which Instagram in female influencers have. Some of them
Yes.
have, because I have seen influencers who don't have that. Okay, so credit where it's due. My question is, given that you're raw and given you have this perception of being raw, quirky, unfiltered, for example, if you get like from a makeup brand some option, right? How would you go about like putting that in your videos when you never endorse makeup in the first place? Like, do you?
I like makeup.
It's a very impromptu question. How would you handle it? Is my question.
Well, see, it's not the way guys see makeup is very different than the way girls see makeup. Girls see it as an
Tell
art
us.
form. Yeah, right? Guys see it as
As
something.
a?
Definitely,
as an art
definitely.
form.
What? Wait. I couldn't get you. Please repeat.
Girls see it as an art form. Don't you watch, like, have you not heard of James Charles, Jeffree Star? They don't do normal makeup, day-to-day makeup. They paint like tigers on their face. You know? So girls see it like that. So I don't think it will be difficult for me to promote makeup to a female audience. Yeah, guys
There's
see it as
a-
something that
The
you
perception is very क्या कहते हैं, flawed. यार, not. I think even a lot of girls don't realize what makeup. It's like Man, I've seen a lot of girls put a lot of makeup, and these are young ones who think like I need to look XYZ for Ramesh to like me. You know what I mean?
I mean,
And the
Ramesh.
guys, yeah, Ramesh is like, of course you are putting makeup onto your face for me, right? This is not for you, it is for me.
Yeah.
And like,
I mean, I
yeah,
like
so
the
it's,
process of
Ria, it is for
applying.
you also, right? You also put makeup. Sometimes you put makeup.
yeah.
I don't know
In my
if you
videos, I do put
right
makeup
now.
on. In the very
But
beginning,
you put
I
it for
did.
yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. It's very soothing because I can turn my brain off and think about something else while doing it. I mean, when you're a guy and you're applying makeup, you don't know much about it. You have to be conscious. But when you're a girl, it's very practiced. बचपन से कर रही हो, so हो जाता है. So it's very
yeah,
calming.
yeah, definitely.
Hmm.
It's therapeutic.
Yeah.
It's therapeutic in a sense. For me, that's cleaning my room. For Rav, it is as well, right? Rav, you like to clean your room when.
But Okus also, if people don't know about this, Okus has he follows a very strict regime when it comes to his skin and his hair. I do for my hair, not for my skin.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I definitely want to get. Bitch, what's your skincare routine? Because god fucking damn it, it's good. I'm so jealous.
Are you asking
It's not
Rav
about you, Ria.
or me?
Yeah. No, it's you.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm from Northeast. That's it.
Nice. Yeah, that's true. That's fucking
Man, oh man, I
Okay.
wish I was. She doesn't have a fucking spot on her face, man.
I do.
I'm so
true.
jealous.
She answered that very clearly.
can't
She
see.
just said that she's from the northeast. मैं बता रहा हूँ ओकस मीट में ही सब कुछ है, ठीक है ना? इसने नहीं, इसको पसंद नहीं है मीट, पर इसके ancestors में खा के आ रहे हैं. And red meat is where it is. Okay, I've been trying to like tell everybody कि red meat is the shit. You should have red meat. Forget chicken, forget everything else. Eggs and red meat is all you need in your life. Okay, I'm gonna do this diet in the next upcoming month. I'm gonna try to have red meat 4 times a week.
What?
There are two things-
Don't die of a heart
There are 2 ways things can go, Ria. Okay, fine. See, there are 2 ways things can go, okay? What's gonna happen? I'm young still, na? Abhi to I'm not 40. I'm still young. I can run. Okay, shut up. Stop laughing. But, like, I was thinking कि अगर मैं 1 महीना रेड मीट खा लूँ, तो मैं बचपन से खाता आया हुआ हूँ, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Worst to worst case scenario, what can happen? Do you have any idea what can happen?
You can die of a
Any
heart
warning you have
attack.
to give me? Yeah.
Heart attack हो सकता है देखो. I've seen 20-year-olds die from a heart attack.
Of what?
Heart
Why?
attack. Yeah.
Why would you say that? Given that you know that I am as much of an overthinker as you are, why would you say that? Now I would not have mutton in general, yaar. What is this?
Okay.
What is this, yaar?
Okay, after having red meat, you should go for a run or go to the gym. To be like exercise के साथ खाएगा तो I think it should be fine.
Speaking of exercise, since you brought it up, do you exercise on a regular basis?
I
Play sports. Exercise doesn't mean going to the gym. Play sports,
I
anything,
used to
anything.
swim. I used to swim, but अभी तो सब बंद है. So I haven't
Right.
done that in a year, and
Hmm.
I don't enjoy anything else besides that. So yeah, I have not been exercising ever since last year.
What's your big fear?
Big fear of what?
Yeah.
Have a big fear? Just anything. Tell me.
Oh.
So, for example,
Can-
I have this big fear of that. I think sometimes when I talk, I make a lot of stuff about myself, and I don't listen सामने वाले का. That's a big thing for me.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Very
I
valid.
mean,
fear.
I understand that about Focus, but you're trying to improve that, right? You're self-aware about it, and that's a good thing. I would
Yeah.
say. I really appreciate that. Yeah.
My big fear, Ria, is lizards. I'm very scared of lizards, and yeah, that is pretty much it.
Really?
And I don't think I can improve on that in any way. I'm
Wait,
not going
you're scared
anywhere
of
close to a lizard.
lizard for real?
Yeah, for real.
Bitch! Oh, next time you're getting fucked,
Why?
bro.
not
Because
coming
I'm
to
gonna
that.
get
It's not
lizards thrown at your face and shit, and I'm gonna fucking film it.
I don't think I was signing up for Fear Factor. Okay, I was signing up for person behind the person. Okay, this is going in a
It's gonna
completely
be
different
fun. This is
tangent.
gonna be so much fun.
Ria, what are your fears? Tell us.
My biggest fear is dying of cancer.
I know somebody
don't-
who died of cancer, man.
Yeah, even I
don't have red meat. Okay. Don't have red meat. Okay.
Because one of the main reasons why I want to earn money is that so that I can have health insurance and get myself treated at the best hospital in case I get cancer. That's my biggest motivation in life.
Okay, so I just realized that I found a different level of overthinker. I've never ever in my life never ever. Given the amount of overthinking that I do, I have never ever in my life thought about, oh, मुझे health insurance के लिए पैसे चाहिए. At 21 years of age, no.
Dude, I want to retire by the time I'm 30. I want to...
And do what?
And then no pressure, you know. I was talking to my brother about this कि मैं कितना अभी से invest करना चालू करूँ ताकि 30 तक मेरा हो जाए मतलब बस. तो हाँ, that is one of the reasons why I'm like YouTube can help me with this instead of like getting a job. So yeah.
Will you give me the numbers? Will you give me the numbers your brother gave me?
Yeah, sure.
After the podcast?
Yeah.
Give me those numbers so that I can see where I stand.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do after retirement?
You know, I'll have a lot of freedom to think about it. I'll have a lot of time to think about it. Hopefully, I don't get depressed.
I'll give you a.
You know, like.
Oh wow! If you become a workaholic, and you just decide to retire, you probably will have a sad face, like a.
Exactly.
That happens.
Most
a lot.
probably. Just make a process. Just what you want to do. It's very simple. Here this. I'll give you a success, like key to happy life. Muft mein. Here.
Get a boyfriend.
No,
that is not.
No, you can't. I mean, you can. Of course, you can. You're very pretty. I didn't mean it like that. But what I mean is, make a process that in itself gives you happiness. The money is the byproduct of it.
Yeah,
You know what I'm trying to say?
yeah.
For example, like what are you doing right now? You're having fun with creating videos.
Yeah.
Money and the fame and everything is a byproduct of it. You're not even titling your videos in some sense ki bhai ne devar ko and all that shit, you know. It's very normal. Girl paints red face. I didn't meet my boyfriend. Yeah, all that stuff, you know. It's very general, very generic. You're doing it because you're enjoying it.
Not
Money and
no, I wouldn't
everything
say. I would 110% say it is not. It is definitely click worthy. Okay.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Make sure that the thumbnail and the title. Oh my god, click worthy to hona chahiye.
Yeah,
But
it's good. It's good. It's really great. But it's not like you know what? You're not try harding. You're not try harding.
Yeah.
It's coming naturally to.
Yeah.
Do that for the rest of your life. Money and everything will be the byproduct of it.
I agree with that. But at the same time, I don't know. I feel like I don't want to work after I'm 30. So that's why I'm like, अभी से ही चलो जमा कर दो बस जितना है उसके बाद 30 के बाद सोचेंगे अगर कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना रहेगा अगर बोर हो गए तो you know it's like that.
Has this ever crossed your mind? Has this ever crossed your mind that I'm gonna make this much amount of money till 30? Then after that, my plan is to go and do travel vlogging.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. Yeah.
Because you can do that right now, Ria. You can do that right now, Ria. Like, nobody's gonna stop you. You just need one starting deal and then you're good.
You can do whatever you want right now. You just have to find a process. That's all it is. That's the fight.
Ria, Dhruv Rathi is doing it. And Dhruv Rathi is a
Rathi has a girlfriend.
YouTube journalist.
He has a beautiful girlfriend.
He's a freaking YouTube journalist, man. So
he has
you'll get a beautiful boyfriend. I am sure there are guys waiting.
Looking, right? Yeah, you're looking yourself. You don't even need to get a boyfriend or something.
Yeah, exactly. But let's hope in 10 years I don't make videos alone, you know. In the next 10 years I'm not making videos alone. Let's just hope that.
यार रिया तेरे को सही में लौंडा चाहिए क्या? It's like रिया रात को बैठ के सोच रही है 100K के ऊपर हो गया. रिया रात को सो के सोच रही है 100K हो गया, Instagram पे फॉलोअर्स आ गए, पर मेरे को लौंडा होना.
Londa hona. The Hyderabadi came out of it. I find that's funny.
That is really.
How many relationships have you been in?
One. One. Yeah.
Yes.
Bruh, y'all fucking noobs.
Yeah, what noobs? I don't think because the process it's not like jump from relationship to relationship. What you do, okay? That is not what's supposed to be happening.
I would like to know about Lucas's love life because he told me that he has dated a lot of girls from my college.
Do you want to go down that route? I'll tell you.
No,
about it.
we are not. We're not gonna go down that route. I don't want like Saloni is uncomfortable and she's listening to this shit.
No.
man. What the fuck?
I've talked to Saloni a lot about it, and I am very glad with like Meriko I got to date. Bro, Saloni is the biggest flex, you know. Saloni is the biggest flex.
Yeah.
Bro, like, oh my god, I can get. She has her own car. She's doing everything right. She's not me. She's not the YouTuber influencer. She's trying to change the world correctly through educating people, through awareness. She
And you.
studies a lot. Yeah, she's changing me. So it's like, you know, she's the biggest flex. So like,
See,
I can,
Saloni's biggest science experiment is
Focus.
Papa Ugas.
Ocus. Okay, his biggest science, her biggest science, and she's hoping that she writes. What do you think is her thesis gonna be? Her thesis is gonna be on you, 110%. Okay, like I really tried, guys. I really tried.
I was gonna
Not
joke
work out.
about the fact that maybe after the thesis she will leave you, but I felt bad about saying it. But I'm saying it right now, so I don't know why I'm saying it.
Oh, how
Oh.
dare you.
But I would love to meet
You need
both
to,
of you.
yo,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. You next time we like whenever you wanna hang out, I'll
Yeah.
bring Saloni over. Or she उसका 29th को exam खत्म हो रहा है, so we can meet on 29th.
Hang out after that.
ठीक है?
Fun.
चलो.
This entire group of people, Ocus, Ria, Adit, who else there in Mumbai?
There's a lot in Mumbai.
Real.
Real. If we want to hang, we can hang with everybody. Really.
Yeah.
I can like Ashish lives like 2 hours away from where we live, 2-ish hours.
That's-
Simon lives from 1 hour away.
Guys, just go and David Dobrik this shit, man. What are you waiting for? I don't understand.
yo! I got some video ideas. I wanna pitch you, Ria. Let's do
Wow.
some shit together, alright?
Yeah.
If you're into it, like I'll pitch it to you. If you want to get into it, that's fine. If you don't want to get into it, also I have some brand stuff that I want to pitch it to you as well.
Cool.
That'll help you make money.
I'll be happy to hear.
Tell me, Ria.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from the creative process,
Yeah.
tell me if I'm going wrong. तू YouTube करती है because you enjoy making videos.
Exactly.
What do you enjoy about it?
I enjoy so there are a lot of things that I can't talk about with a lot of people, right? There are level of friendships, and
Right.
to be very honest, I am currently lacking those type of friendships in my life. So my YouTube is my outlet in a way. Just that I'm talking to a camera. In my room, I'm talking to a camera, but there are real people who are listening to me, right? So that thought gives me comfort. And there are a lot of girls who comment that, oh, I relate to you regarding that, or have been feeling the same way recently. So, and even guys, there are guys who say ki we have never had experience of talking to girls, but your videos, like we come to your videos to learn as to how a girl can be, how a girl thinks. Because I feel like
Right.
a lot of other girls on YouTube in YouTube India are quite they're following the perfect media image, yeah, brand friendly. So वहाँ पे भी इतना idea नहीं मिलता है कि how a real girl is or talks.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think
Yeah. I respect you.
that's
that
what I
scene a
enjoy.
lot.
I also enjoy the editing process. I've not been enjoying it lately because once you like it's become repetitive. I feel I need to change some things up. I think, but other than that, I love talking to the camera. That's something that I enjoy the most.
Other than Jenna Marbles, you mentioned this. What other channels did you mention?
I just mentioned Jenna Marbles. I would say Emma Chamberlain is a huge influence as well. And
Best Dressed?
yeah, even Best Dressed. Best Dressed, I started my channel in January, right? This channel.
Right.
I've started and stopped a lot of channels, but this one I started in January. And it was completely inspired by Best Dressed, okay? I made a room makeover video. I don't know if you've seen that or not on her channel. But it was completely...
I have.
Yeah. So, and then my friends told me that it's not you. Like, doesn't feel like you. And but in my head I was like, copy करके ही तो मतलब खुद का आता है कुछ. But हाँ, I stopped after 3 videos. I had my finals and everything. So उसके बाद I started this new commentary thing, which took up. And that's when my friends were like, now you're being yourself. So I was like, okay, fine. So yeah, Best Dressed, I feel like Best Dressed inspired me to talk more openly about sex in my videos.
Yeah. I can connect that. But I respect that you're very like I tried. That's my shtick. I like being me. I don't fuck with when people try to put filters upon shit. That's not my thing. But you do that same, and I feel like that's, I don't know if this is true or not, but this is what I've seen. A lot of people, they don't see women as this fucking like as human. Like हमारे जैसे ही चूतिए, like don't like, it's either fucking they're too fucking like just like या तो क्या कहते हैं एकदम ही ओह कैसे बात करती हैं देवी माता श्री हैं ऐसे अप्रोच करेंगे, या तो एकदम ही चुतिया लाइक there is no middle ground. As soon as you approach that middle ground, as soon as you start seeing women as or girls as just humans, you start seeing the fucking like, okay, they can make mistakes, okay, they are flawed, and you know there's a lot of this whole the क्या कहते हैं the Me Too stuff, and उसमें like a lot of Me Toos have been क्या कहते हैं faulted. Yeah, what you're doing is you're क्या कहते हैं generalizing everybody.
Yeah.
Just see them as humans, and that's what you do. You keep it real, and I fuck with that. I fuck with that heavily.
But ऐसा भी तो नहीं है रिया कि how many Indian channels do you know where like there are guys and girls they are having a conversation on screen, just talking things out, as friends or whatever. This perception of a guy having friends who are female, I don't know if it's a very
Yeah, I don't even. Yeah, even I have not seen that, and mostly it's them. Mostly it's the boyfriend who's present on screen with them. It's very rare when they're just hanging out with a friend, and I think that's so ingrained in our heads that if I post a video with Adit, Priyal का तो चलो ironic था, but Adit के साथ भी मैंने जब video किया so they were in a way like I feel like वो internet पे हर किसी के साथ ही करते हैं, ship करते हैं, अगर एक लड़का लड़की एक साथ हो तो
Yeah, definitely.
They're shipping me with fucking brown boy, man. I think तो ठीक है.
Yo, how was the experience with Brown Boy? I made a video on him as well.
Yeah.
Who is Brown Boy? Why do I not? I don't know about this.
The tongue guy.
He's a piece of art, man.
He is. And you know.
Because you know, I recently had this very weird incident. Riya, this is before you were. No, this is around the time you were in Hyderabad. Okay. So I was meeting a friend, okay, and she messages me that she knew that I was doing stuff on YouTube. She's like, "Oh, so do you know this YouTuber? Like who?" And she sends me your picture. And like she looks a bit like you. I'm like, what? No, she doesn't. Okay, does Riya look like me?
A lot of my IRA.
What?
Riya?
No, Riya doesn't look like me. Riya, smile.
Who are you talking about?
Let's just smile and just. I don't have my braces on. Otherwise, maybe we would have looked similar. We don't look similar. Do we look similar?
Yeah, no. I didn't get what you said. I didn't get what you. तूने बोला क्या? Like who sent the photos?
His female friend said that Rav and I look similar.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see where she's coming from. Both are fucking gore chitte and fucking clear skin. That's it.
रिया की भर के दाढ़ी आई हुई है, ठीक है?
नहीं, but like
I have got my braces removed. She's just gotten her braces. मेरे बाल अभी उसके लेवल पे पहुंचने ही वाले हैं जिस स्पीड में ग्रो हो रहा है मेरा. ठीक है? We're gonna get there very soon.
Tell me about the brown boy shit. How did that work out?
Dude, that guy he's not. I'm 100% sure he won't watch this. So I'm saying this here. He's stupid.
Let's go.
No, like seriously. I mean, he's aware of what he's doing, right? And he likes it. He likes the attention. He likes the fame. But I would disagree. I don't think I would want to be famous for something like that. And this is also one of the reasons why I don't want to be on social media. It's like people are getting famous for fucking anything. You know?
What is he getting famous for? Who is this person?
Oh my god, you need to watch one of his reels. He's like,
no,
bro.
Let Riya describe it.
Yeah.
I want to hear it from her perspective.
So he basically does POV videos, right? Where he's pretending to have sex with you.
Yeah. And he's like, he's very fuck boy. He's the definition of fuck boy.
Yeah.
He's like a brown fuck boy into 100.
Yeah.
Like, he's very fuck boy.
Yeah. And he told me he does have a few regrets. At least thank God he's a little self-aware. वो भी उसका like उसके parents को पता चल गया. That's why he felt like it's wrong. But he made this video, this TikTok video, 15-second TikTok, where he was like eating you on your period or something like that, and then this sauce like dripping from your mouth. He pretends like give you क्या बोलते हैं, like he's eating you up, and then like कैमरा से दूर जाता है, and then उसके मुंह में ऐसे sauce लगा हुआ है, which is definitely मतलब I think,
Hope.
signifying
I
blood,
hope.
and something like that he made.
Yeah. He's into that shit. He's like बाहर टंग वंग निकाल लेगा and like fucking अपनी छाती वाती दिखा देगा and like he's showing like he's fucking you. It's weird but it's funny. It's very funny. I find it very interesting.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I mean, no comments. I would just say that
How did you meet him?
he DM'd me. He said that I made a video on him, and then he DM'd me saying that it was a good video. And then because I was not blatantly like just ऐसे कुछ भी बोल रही थी. I kept my points, and he was like, I agree with those. He agrees with everything that I say, but he still does those things.
Of course he does.
Yeah.
Ria, tell us. Now, given the amount of attention that you get on social media, have you become more careful about where you give your time?
Where I give
Or
my
do
time
you
to,
still-
as in what?
As in, like, do you reply on a much regular basis?
No, because I
Or
can't.
is
I
it like-
physically can't. Yeah. I did that a lot when I was excited, and it happened for the first few months. And now, since I've gotten used to it, and also because it's not physically possible, I don't do it, and I've stopped doing
I
it.
think we are really, you are better in some way at something you are doing on YouTube, which is better than what I am doing and what Ocus is doing for that matter, because you have consistently grown, right? So if you were to, let's say, suggest to us or to anyone, a female creator who's trying to come up, you can pick our example and tell us directly what are the things which you have noticed, which you are sure you have noticed, ki, this is what helps, this is what counts.
So I feel like the moment I started getting more consistent with my videos, that's when I blew up. Another thing is that I started doing weird shit, right, with my channel. I started running pregnant in public.
Right.
Yeah, weird ass titles, which obviously are ironic. I'm not being serious in those, and my audience knows that. I feel like in YouTube India, nobody was talking openly about such things on a personal level. Like BuzzFeed and all, वहाँ पे बोलते थे, I feel like.
Right.
But that's still not personal, I would say. This is more personal.
Don't go down the route of BuzzFeed, please.
I can tell you why. There is the environment over there is, I mean, we'll get into when we meet personally. I have a lot of stories about that.
Excited.
Oh, Baba, it's tough.
So yeah.
But okay, no, you're right. I remember talking to you about this, and what you say, तू जो बोल रही हो बहुत बराबर है. But I think सबसे बड़ी चीज that I can take away from you is you being unapologetically you, and you being consistently you. You know what I'm trying to say? And a lot of kids need to realize कि like ये बहुत सब advice देते हैं, ठीक है, कि be you. That's true. But the problem also is ना कि how do I know what I am? People struggle with identity a lot, especially at the age, I would say 17, 16, around 18 as well.
That's why I have some of my old videos, and I'm being similar to what I'm making right now. I used to make back then also. But yeah, I was not being consistent, and also because I still didn't know if I was exactly that person, right? So that's why I think I never got successful at 17, 16. Yeah, on YouTube.
There is this it is kind of tied back to this inferiority complex. There is this thing called toxic shame. You know what toxic shame is?
No.
Like we basically I don't know if you can relate to this, but and I just marginally relate to it in some sense. Sometimes I feel कि whatever I'm getting, if good things are happening, I don't deserve it. You ever feel like that? Good things are happening to you and you feel like you didn't do enough to deserve what, because somebody else must have done according to you. In your perception, you thought कि इतना काम करना पड़ेगा to get to this level, पर तुझे उसका एक fraction करना पड़ा to get to that level. Do you feel it affects you?
In this particular scenario, yes, I did think that 100K was kind of handed to me in a way, I feel. But when it comes to other things, I have no thoughts. Like most of the time in life, I just avoid thinking as much as possible because, as I said, I'm an overthinker. So if I start thinking, then I go down that route. So I just avoid thinking at all costs. I am a brain dead person. So yeah.
It's a very smart way to avoid panic attacks and anxiety. by the
Yeah.
way.
Just fucking switch it off.
Just
Yeah.
switch it off. Yeah.
So just
Like
switch
a
it off.
vampire.
Watch.
Switch off.
Watch. I don't know. Who is there? Bindas Kavya. Oh no.
What do you watch? What do you watch on Netflix and Amazon Prime? You don't watch anything?
I've been watching Friends because it helps me switch my overthinking off. But yeah, I don't. If I want to think about things, I like to watch dark stuff like Ted Bundy की autobiography, मतलब क्या documentary या फिर हाँ जो भी है. What happened? You guys are judging me so much.
I'll tell you something यार.
हाँ.
तेरे toxic shame and even रिया को मैं आंसर करता हूँ because I feel like I might have some experience in
वो तो overthink करती ही नहीं है. She's like, fuck you. I'm gonna not even think about
no,
it.
yeah,
this
but
scenario.
she did mention that she feels like उसको लग रहा था कि 100K को पे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. The thing is ना, I think there is two things. Imagine you're climbing a mountain, right?
Yeah.
And there is somebody who has climbed a mountain. Like क्या मेहनत की है इसने, बहन चोद क्या बढ़िया आदमी है, right? And you're like मेरे को भी वैसे बनने का है और मैं भी try करूँगी. And what you do is like you fail a bunch of times. You fail a bunch of times. And what you do is you start looking down. You're like मैं ऊपर नहीं देखूंगी because मैं ऊपर देख के चढ़ रही हूँ तो मैं फिसल जा रही हूँ. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look down and successfully, carefully, consistently place the next step as best as I can, right? And that's all I'm gonna do. And you keep doing it, and you realize, oh shit, I'm kind of here, man.
Yeah.
You know? But the thing is now what you're doing, like, yo, how did I reach here? The thing is, you thought it's not that कि you don't deserve it, it's that you thought कि वो बहुत hard है.
समझ रहे हो?
Yeah.
तुमने सोचा ही उसको गलत. You need to think that it was not hard. The guy worked. Of course he did. जो ऊपर बंदा है उसने बहुत मेहनत की. But तुमने भी मेहनत की. But it was
that kind of ties back to what Riya said, right? Ki she said that my way of avoiding that kind of an overthinking process is not going to think about it. And she probably did that for YouTube as well because she stopped thinking about it and she just was consistently uploading. So she was basically putting brick by brick until she reached 100K.
I mean, I never, like,
What do you
when you asked me about my strategy, I never thought of any strategy. I was like, I need to make videos that I enjoy making, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, that's
Really?
the golden
Yeah,
rule.
that's
No,
it.
really, you there was no point ever in this entire year where you were like कि हाँ you were in the phase of कि मुझे strategize करना पड़ेगा कि मैं ऐसा वीडियो डालूंगी ऐसा वीडियो डालूंगी.
No, exactly. That's what I think कि ये कैसे हो गया, Like, I just talked about the things that I wanted to talk about in the initial days when it came to commentary. I stopped enjoying it. I started making vlogs and I was blowing up. And since this day, I mean, before uploading my video, I do think about, will I click on this? What will I click on? Then I upload it. And okay, you have to have a clickable thumbnail and a title. You never know what's going to work. Unless and until it's, the obvious. But after that, it's all on you. तुम्हें फिर इंसान देखने आता है कि नहीं. And I still get shocked. Why do people watch me? So I only focus on making videos that I personally would enjoy watching.
Yeah, and that's the strategy to go for. Just
Have
do
you ever
what-
scrapped any videos before uploading?
In the past, I have one video. It's interesting because this is just before the Hindustani Bhau case. This happened just before that case happened. I made a video on religion. There was this lady who was teaching people how to be the perfect Hindu wife, and I kind of criticized that. So and then my brother told me to not upload it. I showed him and he was like, don't upload it, and I didn't upload it. And then after that thing happened. So grateful I didn't upload that.
Yeah, it's good that happened. But I guess this is it. We've been talking for 1.5 hours. The
Damn.
conversation has been pretty good, man.
Interesting.
What do you think?
How was your experience? Where were we interviewing you? Can be honest.
No, it was fun. I mean, I enjoy Rusty's podcast as well, okay?
Sure, we are not trying to take Rusty's case, but we're just trying to say that we are not going to interview you. Did we interview you?
Yeah,
is my
we
question.
don't like interviewing people.
No.
That's a big thing for us.
No, it was fun. I enjoyed it a lot.
Tell us what can we improve on, Ria? Tell all our audiences what we can improve on.
No, I actually had fun, and I don't think anything needs to be improved. You guys were amazing.
Yeah.
It was really.
Ria is one of those girls from school who is very studious, and she's an overthinker. She's basically a female version of me from school. Okay, basically an overthinker is very studious, will take care of her shit, and when somebody else is like, यार मैंने कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं किया क्या बोलते हो कुछ, you're fine, you're doing great in life, don't worry at all. That is what it is. Tell me, Ria, is this not the most honest description of you?
No, if you guys were doing something wrong, I would have said it to your face. Honestly, I used to think that Opus is an asshole, to be very honest. But he is the sweetest human being. He is the sweetest human being.
I thought you didn't like me. When we started talking in the first place.
Really? No. I did like you in the beginning,
Yeah.
and then in the middle, I was like, "इसमें कितना attitude है?" Like podcast सुन के लगा मेरे को. And then now I'm like, and then Opus started talking to me again. I was like, "No, he's so sweet." No, seriously, Opus, you're cutie. Even Rav, I still have to think about it.
Meet. Yeah.
Yeah.
What? What do you mean? No. I'm gonna indulge this for like another 2 minutes. What do you mean?
No, like when you text now, you are a very क्या बोलते हैं?
Yeah.
You sound
Yeah,
Full
I have
stop.
been told.
Full stop. आता है. Punctuation. बहन
Ria,
के लोड़े. It's so scary.
Ria,
Intimidating.
you are not the first girl who has, trust me, there's a list. There is a list, okay, and you're somewhere at the bottom of the list, and you're one of those girls who has mentioned ki you are a horrible texter. You're a horrible texter. It feels like you're telling me to fuck off.
Yeah, exactly.
Block me in the next second.
I got.
No, it's
That's
not
why I
that.
call him. इसको मैं call करता हूँ.
Rav is much sweeter in person, I would say.
Yeah.
But you haven't met
That's
me in
sweet
person.
voice.
नहीं, अभी जितना मिलके मैं बोल रही हूँ.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, how am I in on camera and how am I in real life?
I think you're the same. You're actually the same. I think too.
Which one would you prefer?
I don't think I would prefer any. I would prefer both.
The real life versus then let's just cancel that entire PBTV Mumbai में आके एक room में shoot करने.
Man,
It'll
I
save
was
me a lot of
thinking
money.
about it. I think even this online shit can work because we won't have to fly guests out to sit on our studios.
Why
We
would
can
we
send-
fly guests out anyway? We're gonna go and we're gonna shoot.
We can do that as
Mumbai,
well. Yeah, we can do that as well. But like
Sounds
we
fun.
thought about having a studio area. कभी हमने सोचा था कि PBTV takes up, so we'll have a studio where guests will come.
It
But
will
I was
take
like,
up, don't
you know what? I can.
I think it will take
Yeah?
up. I have faith that it will take up. You guys are good, मतलब अभी with every podcast you guys.
India's biggest podcast. This is gonna be India's biggest podcast. We out here.
I'm gonna be a pessimist in this entire scenario because we need things to balance out, right? So like ज़्यादा confident हो रहा तो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी इसमें. But हाँ, Ria, I'm really sorry again for
It's alright.
being the horrible texter that I am. I get that a lot. Okay, you're not the first person. But I'm sorry. I'm really working on it. Okay, people have told me ki stop using punctuations and you're halfway there. Okay,
Yeah.
That
Start
is-
using emojis as well.
Oh,
You need to start using emojis.
Yeah.
No, I'm more of a GIF person. I don't use emojis.
Use the GIF. It's okay. Use the
Yeah.
GIF. Tell me that you're not serious. It's very scary.
Yeah.